Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with yet another conversation and today we have Pooja ma'am here and I would love to have a conversation with her today. So we're gonna start with a little bit introduction of yours, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much for inviting me on your channel, and it is my pleasure to have you on your channel. So, hello everyone, my name is Pooja Singh. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It's a capital of UP. I hold a BTech degree in electronic and communication. I was working earlier, but when I got married, so I had to leave my job for the sake of my child. And I am mother of inquisitive 5 years old. If I talk about my hobbies, my latest time activities, so I love to interact with Bizarre to know about them, to know about their culture, life experience, and especially individual English journey because I am too much into English these days. So I just want to know about their journey and their technique experience so I can also apply in my journey. And I love reading book. I have a green thumb. Whenever I get time, I love to take care of my plant. Simultaneously, like you, I have a YouTube channel by the name of English Jubilation where I upload this type of conversation video and some shorts video. Channel is totally dedicated to English, and I help people who really want to learn English. So I can say I give online English spoken classes for them who really want to learn English. Yeah. So it's all
Okay.
about me.
So as you
Hmm.
said that you have done BTech degree, right? So like are you thinking to do that job again? I mean BTech is a like decent degree to have and you can have a decent job through it, but you had to leave it for the sake of your children. But now I guess that your children must be grown by now. So are you thinking to go
Yes.
back there or are you enjoying this English conversation stuff?
Yeah, so I have only one child and he is 5 years old now. And earlier, I really wanted to start my career again as a corporate life, as a software developer, not software developer, software tester, because I was doing job as a software tester. I really wanted to, but it was not a cup of tea for me to leave my house, to leave my baby alone. It was a very Herculean task. How I could do, and then I really wanted to do, but I was just contemplating what kind of things I can do. And one time, I got to know, okay, Pooja, you can start work from home job, right? And
Mm-hmm.
I started uploading my CV on Naukri.com, Indeed, like there are lots of plethora of job site. So I started uploading my CV, but then I came across one video, and that was between two housewives. That fascinated me, that intrigued me. Okay, Pooja, if she can do, I can also do. Because I was fascinated towards English, I think, since my childhood.
Mm-hmm.
And then I searched a lot on YouTube. Then I stumbled upon one video, and that was between English Yari video again. So I took some session, and then I started having session with the other person. So these days I am too much into English. I love to talk with people. I don't want to uh, throw in the towel. Like, I don't want to leave this niche. So
Got it.
for the sake of that, I started giving tuition classes, like not just tuition classes, spoken classes. In that way, I can feel connected. I can like it's a I feel bound myself. I have some compulsion to connect with the people, to upgrade myself. So for the sake of that, I started. So I don't want to start my career again as a corporate life. No, right now I just want to make my career in this field because I can't leave English now.
Okay, so you mean to say that now you're loving to speak in English and you love to communicate, and that's why,
Yeah.
because you are enjoying this field, so you're gonna continue in this one, right? So I
Yes.
had a
Yeah.
question
I'm
that
enjoying this field.
we are living in India, right?
Hmm.
And people around us don't
Yeah.
usually speak in English. We don't get that environment as native speakers get. So, what do you think about it? Do we need an environment to be fluent in English, or should we just move abroad if we want to be fluent in English? What can we do uh, as our best so that we get that environment of English speaking and we can be fluent in this language? Or like, is that impossible?
Hmm. 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 in this digital era, no need to move abroad, or no need to move any English country where we can get environment to become fluent. We can create that environment at sitting at our home. We can create that artificial environment right everywhere. Yeah, like YouTube, you can talk with people, on video call, audio call. Just if you really want to be fluent, so just immerse yourself with the English 24 into 7. How? There are, like, you can make call with anyone, you can make video call, audio call, you can watch movie, you can read book. And these days, it's been 3 to 4 months. I speak every day, 4 to 5 hour every day. So living in India, so it's up to us, it's up to our mindset. If we really want to do so, we can create that artificial environment and we can be fluent. There is no need to go abroad. There is no need to go America, British to be fluent.
Yeah,
No.
I agree with you because as we have our laptop, we mobiles, we have all the devices
Yeah,
we need, and through that we can basically
right.
connect with people, even with native speakers who are fluent in that language. So that way we can try to create an environment where we can
Hmm,
learn English and be fluent in it. So we don't really have to
right.
move abroad for that. Maybe a few
Hmm.
years back we had to because we didn't knew like
Yes,
we
yes.
didn't have this
Yeah,
type of technology where we could connect
right.
with people
Yeah.
and learn.
Hmm, hmm,
So that's what I
yeah.
think. Okay, so
Hmm.
my next question to you is if you could master one skill in a day, if you had that superpower that you can master any skill you want in a day, which skill it would be and why?
Dancing.
Why? Because you love it?
I love dancing, but I don't know how to dance. But I can dance in a party, in marriage party, in anniversary party, anywhere. But I don't know how to dance, but I always dance.
Okay,
I always do
that
dance.
that happens with me too, because whenever I see a video where the people are dancing so like so good,
Hmm.
so I'm not getting that word, but that looks so good. But and I want to learn that too, but I think
Yes.
we need to devote some time. It always requires time. And
Hmm.
I think for me, if I wanted a skill in just one day, I think it is gonna
Hmm.
be I think I want to learn guitar. I am trying to learn that from 2 months now, but I have not yet learned it.
I
I
can
am
see.
struggling in it.
I can
Yeah.
see in background
Yeah,
there is a
it's
one
right
guitar,
there.
right?
So that would be one skill to
Yeah.
be a guitarist in just one day.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So,
we, yeah, go
how's your
on.
English learning going on?
My English learning is going smoothly. I would say I never really faced any kind of issue because I have always loved it. But and when you love something, you don't really struggle in it. You just love the
Hmm.
journey.
Right.
You just
Right.
love the process.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's my scene
Right.
here. I always love to speak.
Hmm.
Even if I'm struggling, I don't realize that I'm struggling in it because it's my passion.
Hmm.
So I never really felt
Right.
frustrated or irritated learning it. So it's
Hmm.
going very smoothly and I'm glad it is.
Okay. Great. Hmm.
Okay, so we talked about practical skill we can get in a day. If you had that power, like if you could choose one superpower to have, what would it be and why? It's a hypothetical question though.
Superpower. Yes, yes, hypothetical question. If I would get chance to choose one um, superpower, so I would like to go abroad, Scotland.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
with my family.
have you seen that cartoon Doraemon where he gets that
Yeah,
pink anywhere door? So you want to say that I wish I could get that so can go to any country I want.
yes.
And why only Scotland? Is it so special? Like there are like
Yeah, it
95
is so
countries, right?
special.
195, if
Yeah,
I'm not
because
wrong.
it like it is very, that fascinated me. Whenever I see any Scotland picture or video, that fascinated me to know, Pooja, you need to have one, at least one time in your life, that fascinated me, that culture, environment, everything.
Okay, so we talked about country. If we talk about any state of India that attracts you, which one is that?
Mm. Uttarakhand.
Oh yeah, even for me too. I love that place because it's full of mountains. Plus, it has a lot of
Yes.
temples. I guess Kedarnath is in
Hmm.
Uttarakhand. So, and I have been there. I have been
Hmm.
in that state, and when you're in that state, you feel like so peaceful. Because I went to Haridwar. It was like
Yeah,
mountains all
right.
around, and you love the
Hmm.
peace. So that's why I think I love this
Right,
Uttarakhand
right.
too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. And their lifestyle is also slow, peaceful,
Mm-hmm.
serene kind of. I love. And they are not running behind like hustling and bustling. No, they have that peace life. They are very humble. They are
Mm-hmm.
ready to help. I have been there many time in Uttarakhand, but I never feel jaded. Like
Okay.
whenever you can say, okay, Pooja, let's go Uttarakhand. So I'm always ready for that.
Oh, really? So you love it so much? Mhm. Okay, which
Yeah.
which is the second state you want to visit or that you love?
Second, that is in my bucket list, Kerala. I want to go.
Mhm. Yeah, like
Kerala.
picture of South India is like it is surrounded by sea,
Hmm.
right? So full of
Yes.
plants, seas everywhere. It's a great place, I
Yeah.
feel.
And I never been in southern part of India, and I have 6 to 7 learner, and they are from southern part of India. Whenever I ask, okay, what did you prepare in your breakfast? So they are always saying, okay, dosa, idli, dosa. So that fascinated me. Okay, one time like these days, I really want to be visit Kerala, especially southern part of India.
Okay,
South people
so
are also right? South
yeah,
people are also very humble, ground to earth.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true. Even I've seen that a lot of videos and I have noticed
Hmm.
that too. So as you just said that you have
Yes,
learner from South, so you're a teacher, right? What's the experience of being a teacher? Are you liking it or are you disliking it?
because it's become a habit to connect with them every day, right? So
Yeah,
experience is good. I'm enjoying the process of teaching too, because I can't say that is the totally teaching. I just help them whenever they need guidance. I just try to help them. Yeah, I'm not a
yeah.
strict teacher. I'm not, like they all are saying you are like a friend.
Good to know that. Like teaching is something that skill I want to learn too, and I hope that I learn it in future. Because when you're teaching someone, you are basically helping them, and you're being a friend to guide them. And when you see that they are okay, they are making a progress. I want to feel that what it feels like when
That
you
is the real.
teach someone and they
Yeah.
actually learn it. So yeah, I would love to learn that too in the future.
And you know what is the hardest part of teaching career? Like in any teacher life, what is if any learner learn right, they got that fluency and they are about to leave that class. Okay, ma'am, now I got that fluency, and they become like a family, like a friend, and we feel attached, and that is very hard time, to go,
Yeah,
okay,
I
say
can
okay,
understand.
okay. That
Because
is very
since
hard time.
you're
Because
talking to them on regular basis and then they say that okay, we have got that fluency now and we have to leave. So obviously you are a bit
yes,
connected to
please
them.
discuss.
So
Right,
that is
right.
a hard feeling to have.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, ma'am, I think we can now wrap up the session. If you have any questions, you can go on and ask. Otherwise, we can end it.
Yeah. So yes. So every day you take session.
Yeah, I try to because I recently started my YouTube channel and I'm trying to upload one video every day. It's like we have to first make the video and then edit it and then make a thumbnail and all that. It's
Right.
a bit hectic for
It's the
me.
time.
So I'm
Mm-hmm.
just recording and I'm just keeping it at the side and whenever I'm free, I edit the video and upload it. This is third conversation and yeah, it's like that.
Okay. Great to know that. And I'm glad to know that you have started your YouTube channel, English YouTube channel.
Yeah, I guess
That
I
help
was,
you a lot, really. That help you a lot.
yeah, you get to learn a lot of stuff when you're creating a video. You get to
Right,
be the host of the video, right?
right,
So you get to learn a lot through it.
right, right. Definitely, you are going to fall in that process because this is a very incredible things, right? Every day, just try to connect with the especially bizarre, strange person and just talk with them. This is a
Yeah,
very incredible journey,
yeah,
So yeah,
exactly.
go with
It's
the
a
best
roller
of luck.
coaster ride. Thanks for that.
Right,
Thanks a lot.
right. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for coming here today. I really appreciate you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.
Definitely. Yeah, bye bye. Have a great day.
Same.
Bye.